So my name is Julia Lefler. I am a fourth-year PhD student, and so I focus on pancreatic cancer. And my lab is particularly interested in this really unique feature about pancreatic cancer, and that's the development of this really thick stroma surrounding the tumor. And within that stroma, there's many different cell types, but one of the most present cell type is what we call a cancer-associated fibroblast. And these fibroblasts have been shown to both limit tumor growth and promote tumor growth. We are interested in figuring out how these cancer-associated fibroblasts are contributing to tumor growth by altering the surrounding environment that the tumor is growing in. I'm on the HCC fellowship. Receiving that financial support definitely is helping me gain the technical skills that I need to learn as a young scientist. But not only the financial support, but the support that I get from Hollings as a whole. The community that I'm able to do my research in is extremely helpful as well, learning teamwork, working with scientists and physicians towards a common goal, I think has been really, really important to my development as a scientist. So I'm hoping that we can really parse out these complex signaling pathways that are going on in pancreatic cancer. If we can figure out a way to target this stroma, which has really been thought to be a big hindrance in how we actually treat pancreatic cancer, contributing just one piece of knowledge to how the stroma is contributing to tumor growth would be extremely important to the way we think about developing drugs and therapeutic strategies to pancreatic cancer. So pancreatic cancer is one of the more lethal diseases in the US, and unlike other cancers, we really haven't made progress in improving outcomes when it comes to pancreatic cancer. And so this is why I'm extremely passionate about studying this type of cancer, because over the past 10 years, there hasn't been that big of an improvement in therapeutic strategies. And if we can make some sort of breakthrough when it comes to the way we think about treating this disease, I think it could be extremely important to these patients that, when diagnosed, it's often a very, very bad outcome. One of the biggest lessons I've learned, coming into this career is being okay when you fail, when an experiment fails and you just think, wow, like everything is over and what I thought, is completely wrong. But the most important thing about being a scientist is knowing what to do whenever you do have these failed experiments and learning how to move on to the next step and think about, what went wrong. So don't let, a failed experiment keep you from continuing on.